Hey guys, Miss Wilson here. Did you know that you could use text-to-speech with Discovery Education? It's super easy. All you need to do, once you've navigated to a section in Discovery Education that you would like read, you highlight that section, let go, and this little toolbar pops up. You press Speak Text, and eventually it will start reading to you. You can pause. You can also highlight, take notes, and do a few other things to interact with the text here as well. But I want to point out one other feature of Discovery Education. If you ever see any bolded words, like this word ancient right here, if you click on it, another screen will pop up and define that specific word for you to give you a little bit more information. So especially with more difficult vocabulary, if you are unsure of what that word is, click on it and it will give you some more information. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day.